Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
So I'm looking at two espresso machines, the Breville Barista Touch and the De'Longhi Magnifica Evo. Both seem pretty decent, but I'm trying to figure out which one's better for me.
Okay, let's dive in. Right off the bat, the Breville is pricier, around $800, while the De'Longhi is closer to $575. Is price a big factor for you?
Yeah, price is definitely something I'm considering, but I also want something that's easy to use and makes good coffee.
Got it. The Breville has a touchscreen, which makes it really easy to select your drink and customize settings. It even lets you save up to 8 personalized coffees. The De'Longhi has button controls, which some people prefer for simplicity, and you can personalize recipes with the My Latte feature.
The touchscreen sounds cool, but I'm wondering about the grind. I've heard that's super important for espresso.
Absolutely. Both have integrated conical burr grinders, which is a plus. The De'Longhi boasts 13 grind settings, which gives you a lot of control over the coarseness of the grind. And the Breville has adjustable grind control, but it doesn't specify the number of settings.
Okay, good to know. What about milk frothing? I like a good cappuccino.
The Breville has an auto steam wand that lets you adjust the milk temperature and texture. It supposedly delivers barista quality microfoam. The De'Longhi uses De'Longhi's Latte Crema system that textures both milk and milk alternatives. And the container can be stored in the fridge.
Interesting. And what about cleaning? I don't want to spend all my time cleaning the machine.
The De'Longhi has removable and dishwasher-safe parts, which is a big convenience. The Breville comes with a cleaning kit, but it doesn't explicitly say the parts are dishwasher-safe.
Okay, that's a point for the De'Longhi. What about size? Space is a bit limited in my kitchen.
The De'Longhi is a bit deeper at 17.2 inches versus the Breville's 12.66 inches. However, the Breville is slightly wider and taller. Weight-wise, the De'Longhi is slightly heavier at 27 pounds compared to the Breville's 21.8 pounds.
Okay, thanks. That helps a lot. I think I'm leaning towards a De'Longhi, especially given the price and the dishwasher-safe parts. It sounds like a good balance of features and convenience. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.